What's the meaning of breeziness? Breeziness. Breeziness.
Breeziness. Breeziness. Breeziness refers to the quality of being light, airy, and refreshing, like a cool breeze on a warm summer day. It is an adjective that can be used to describe both physical and emotional experiences. A breezy day might involve gentle, refreshing winds blowing through the trees. In conversation, someone might speak with a breezy tone, indicating a relaxed, carefree attitude. Overall, breeziness is associated with a sense of lightness and ease, imbuing a feeling of refreshment and relaxation in those who encounter it.